Hey traders, it's Danielle. Welcome to the free video. So I wanted to start off by talking about XLY. XLY has been one of the strongest sectors for quite some time. It did take a little bit of a topsy-turn lower last fall, but since then it's just done nothing but rage like a beast. And at this point, you can see that it has quite a bit of consolidation on the weekly chart. So we have a weekly chart, we have a weekly squeeze. I know we did get a little bit of a sell signal here, but for me, I'm just looking at this to possibly pull back slightly. But honestly, it's been so strong, and we have a lot of key earnings coming up, and then we also have this daily squeeze. So looking at the weekly squeeze, looking at the daily squeeze, I mean, there's just so much consolidation in this overall chart right here. You also have a 195 minute. I mean, there's just consolidation all over the place. And then on top of that, you have a situation where a lot of these top tickers have earnings coming up. We also have pretty strong consumer sentiment right now, really strong consumer spending. We have, you know, a reduction in rate cuts. Just basically everything in the overall economy is pointing towards strong consumer discretionary sector, as well as some of these companies. So we have Home Depot that's coming up for earnings. This one I think will be a pretty good tell. I like the daily squeeze along with the 195 minute squeeze, and I also love the way that it's holding the 50 period simple. You can also see Lowe's. So Lowe's has a couple different pieces of points of consolidation here as well with an upcoming earnings report, and we're seeing some positive momentum going into there as well. Target, I'm not sure why this one was down today. I tried to see if I could find any news or anything like that, and I couldn't find anything that I pointed to specifically. But looking at this here, I still love the way that it's holding right at the 50 period simple with the run into earnings. I think out of all of these, Walmart is going to be the first one. And I know, you know, Walmart is technically not in discretionary, but I'm kind of grouping it together. But I think that Walmart is going to be the first tell. So Walmart earnings is coming out on Thursday. And the way that this one reacts, I think it'll send kind of reverberating effects through Home Depot, Target, and Costco as well. So we've really seen these overall retail names, and not all of retail, just the retail flyers, which is Walmart, Target, Home Depot, Lowe's, and Costco. These have really been the champions of retail. So especially with this breakaway gap, I mean, I feel like the momentum is going to be positive going into Walmart. Walmart has had a couple different really positive earnings reports, and it does tend to trade higher after Walmart. So the moral of the story is I like consumer discretionary. I like these top names. I think they're great for long-term stock accounts. I also think that XLY in and of itself is great for a long-term stock portfolio. I'm watching the earnings of these specific companies, particularly starting with Walmart, because I think it's going to cause a reverberating effect throughout the rest of these. And I'm most likely going to trade them all long, or at least cautiously bullish for the earnings report, depending on where they're sitting directly in front of the report. Beyond that, I hope you have a great rest of your day. If you want to check out more information from me, you can go to www.5startrader.com. That is going to be my free newsletter. Check it out. You can subscribe today. Beyond that, I'll see you in the next one.